getting some breaking news. This is regarding Cyclone Montha that is going to make its landfall today evening. And we're now learning that Cyclone Montha has impacted trains and flights. In fact, 6 flights between Chennai and Visakhapatnam have been cancelled. 6 flights between Chennai and Visakhapatnam have been cancelled due to Cyclone Montha. That's the latest update that we are getting. So air services have been impacted due to Cyclone Montha, and it is going to hit the Andhra coast, but the impact is also going to be felt in the states of Odisha, parts of West Bengal and Tamil Nadu as well. And now we're learning that 6 flights between Chennai and Visakhapatnam have been cancelled. And my colleague Apurva is now joining us from Kakinada in Andhra Pradesh. That is also going to be the worst hit due to Cyclone Montha. Apurva, give us the latest details. We are learning that the air services have also now been impacted due to the cyclone. All right, we'll try to re-establish connection with Apurva, who will be getting us all the details from Kakinada in Andhra Pradesh, which is going to be the worst hit due to this cyclone. But we also have Abdul Bashir from Vijayawada, who's getting us all the latest updates. Abdul, how is the situation in Vijayawada currently?
We are joined by Indian Meteorological Department Director at Amravati, Stella Samuel, madam. What is the current update? Where is the cyclone Montha set to impact most, and where is it set to hit state of Andhra Pradesh?
Yeah. Cyclone Montha, it lies over West Central Bay of Andhra Pradesh coast and North Tamil Nadu coast, and it is about nearly 230 kilometers southeast of Machilipatnam, then 310 kilometers southeast of Kakinada, and 370 kilometers south of Visakhapatnam, and 670 kilometers southwest of Gopalpur, and it is likely to move northwestwards and intensify into severe cyclonic storm by today morning itself, and it is likely to continue to move further in northwestward direction and likely to cross between Machilipatnam and Kalingapatnam, that is around Kakinada, that is today night, 28th October, around Kakinada in the evening or night. And because of this, while crossing also, the wind speed will be gale winds would be of 90 to 100 kmph with maximum of 110 kmph wind speed. And further, even after crossing also, slowly it will, the intensification will reduce from severe cyclone to cyclonic storm. So, but then the wind and extremely heavy rainfall, even today till now, Visakhapatnam recorded 21 centimeters of rainfall. So, extremely heavy rainfall is there already. And today also there is a prediction that is for 28th October 2025 today, right from Nellore to Vijayanagaram, along the coastal districts. All the coastal districts will be getting extremely heavy rainfall, including Guntur, NTR, Palnadu, Eluru. These districts will be getting heavy to very heavy with extremely heavy rainfall in isolated places, and other interior districts will be also be getting heavy to very heavy rainfall. And tomorrow, even after crossing also becoming cyclonic storm, there's likelihood of heavy to very heavy with isolated extremely heavy rainfall. So people are requested to be in safe place, not to go out during this cyclone. And uprooting of trees, electric poles, and mudslide, landslide can occur, riverine floods can occur, storm surge of more than 1 meter above the astronomical tide is likelihood. So because of that, people along the coastal areas are requested to be in safer place. So better to avoid the travel unnecessarily.
Well, from tonight, timing, what is the time expected, approximate time, and till when is this impact set to be?
No, this crossing generally will take 3 to 4 hours. So right from evening, the crossing would start. So even after crossing also, movement will be slow, right? So while crossing also, people are requested not to go out and remain in safer place.
Okay, what are the preparations from the government? What you're
Government, they are well in advance. We have given the alerts, and NDRF or SDR.